Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the area of a parallelogram. To find the area of a parallelogram, we need two key measurements. We need the length of the base of our parallelogram, and we need the perpendicular height of the parallelogram. The perpendicular height, that's our height going straight up from bottom. And we then get this formula. Area equals base times perpendicular height. In this example, we're given a base of 7 centimeters and a perpendicular height of 5 centimeters. Remembering our formula is area equals base times perpendicular height. So we need to do 7 multiplied by 5, and that gives us 35 centimeters squared. In this next example, we're given a base of 11 centimeters and a perpendicular height of 6 centimeters. Again, our formula is area equals base times perpendicular height, which means we do 11 times 6, which gives us 66 centimeters squared. In this third example, we're given a base of 12 centimeters, a perpendicular height of 5 centimeters, and the length of one of our sloped sides, which is 6 centimeters. Now remember, our formula is area equals base times perpendicular height. So we can disregard the length of our sloped side. We don't need to use this 6 centimeters at all. We are just going to do 12 multiplied by 5, which gives us an answer of 60 centimeters squared. In this final example, we're given a base of 9 centimeters and a perpendicular height of 4 centimeters and the length of one of the sloped sides of 5 centimeters. Again, our formula is area equals base times perpendicular height, so of course we can ignore this sloped side. We do not need to use the 5 centimeters. We can just do 9 times 4, which gives us 36 centimeters squared.